All right, so as a test, I'm just going to jump into one of the templates here, just so I have something to work with. We go to Edit, and let's just go into anything. We can make anything clickable, but let's use something that's more relevant and more simple and more direct to your use case. So we just click on the item right there, and we click on this site that we're linking to, and it can be different types of links. So it could be a mail to link if you wanted to have somebody generate an email off of this button, but like you said, you wanted to go to a website. So if we're going to make it go to a website, let's just call it, put in the URL, and that's where we edit that. And we can change this button from Shop Now to Google landing page, or whatever you want to type, and then you can change the font here. So the next thing we can do is we can make this text linkable. So when we highlight this, we want to make this the link, or let's say we want to, during your checkout to activate, let's say we want to make this link or clickable. So then we highlight the text and we go up here to the link button. You see that the text is now red because it's a link now, and I just put in the name, put in the web page or whatever URL you want the user to go to. So that's the two places you would create. Once it's done, it'll automatically save. So if you click off of it or click on a different section, you'll see that it still retains the information you just typed because these automatically save. And let's say you wanted to, if you have any other questions, let me know. If I went too fast, let me know. Just use the time code on the video to tell me where I wasn't clear enough, and I'll revisit that particular section. And the last thing you asked me about, which I forgot to do, is we need to create a simple email with just text. So in this case, we can just create a template, and you can do it plain text not available, but we can just do let's do the drag and drop as well, but we'll make it simple text rather than have all the sections. So you can get rid of these just by hovering over this and then clicking the trash can. And so now we're just going to drag and drop content here, or we can just use one of these quick references. So this is a button, this is text, and this is a picture. So I'm just going to click text. I'm going to start typing my message. And that's that. So if you want to link out, so we can do something like click here. And like I did before, we can just highlight this text and then go up to the link button over here and then create the link for that. Okay, so now it's going to be saved, and then we can preview it, and that's what it's going to look like.